Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chawanne Burns. Please click that like button and that subscribe button. In today's video, we are going to discuss your employer identification number. I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you should get one, even if you don't have to for your business. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to get one. Okay? So I've been talking about business credit. If you like topics about building your business credit, you want to subscribe to this channel. So the first reason, and this is in no particular order, but this is my personal reason, my personal opinion, why you need an employer identification number, even when it's not required. Okay, so if you're a sole proprietorship, I talk about why you shouldn't be a sole proprietorship. So if you're a sole proprietorship, change it. Get out of that. You need an EIN number. Please set it your business up as a LLC. Okay. So this leads to my first reason. It's all for your protection. So separating yourself from your business component or your business is for your protection. It protects your credit. It protects your assets. It's for your protection. So I do have another video out of steps to set up your business, or another video about how you build your business credit. And to set up your business, this is step number 2, to set up an EIN number, okay? So separating yourself and protecting your assets, your personal assets from your business. Okay. That's the first one. The second one, you prevent, as a independent contractor or a sole proprietorship. Don't set it up that way, but if you are a solopreneur that you want to call it, you are setting up where you're a legitimate business owner. People tend to want to extend more lines of credit or give you contracts if you're set up in the proper way. You know, you're not using your social security number. This means that you're serious about business. You have an EIN number. Okay. So that only proves to people or other entities or businesses that you're trying to gain contracts from, oh, this person is truly about their business. Okay. The third reason, I say if a kid can have an EIN number, you should let the kid get an EIN number, because everyone knows that if you have a business, you save money on taxes. Okay. So have an EIN number, people. Even if you're selling candles to your friends and family, have an EIN number, because you could take write-offs from selling your candles off of the space you use in your home, the materials you bought. You know, if it's a hobby and it makes you some money, set up as a business, you should be applying for an EIN number. Okay. So save money in taxes is the third one. The fourth one is you're able to open up a business bank account. And if you guys been following me, I've always say or tell you, separate your business from your personal. That's even if you have a sole proprietorship. You should still have a separate business banking account to separate. Okay. This is like step number 3 or 4 of building your business credit. Okay. Separating your monies, because when it's time to pay taxes, You are saving money. You could tell me or tell your accountant how much you spent in your business and how much you brought into your business. And you could potentially take off write-offs because of the money or your business expenses that you actually use to build your business. And it's building your business credit. So that is your fifth one. Building your business credit. So once you set up your business bank account, because they allowed you to, because you have an EIN number, you are able to build your business credit off of that EIN number. And it is totally separate. You get higher limits with your business credit. They won't hold it against you if you max out your limit and you're paying on time. It doesn't count against you. Matter of fact, they love it. They love it when you max out your card and you still paying on time. You paying as agreed. So establishing your business credit, if that's your main objective, you need an EIN. Okay, so those are my 5 personal opinions. And the last one that I gave you is the top reason why you should have a EIN number. So at the end of this video, or just stay tuned, because we are going to show you how you can apply for your EIN less than 5-10 minutes. Okay, it's like 5 steps, and it probably take you 5 to 10 minutes to do it. I am sending on my good to you. I will talk to you soon. Number. I have seen countless and countless of ads and advertisement, what have you, saying set your business up for, for a small minimum fee. Get your EIN number here. And it does not direct you to the IRS page, but it directs you to a landing page so you could pay for this service. Please, people, EIN number is free, so don't pay for it. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can apply for your EIN number, okay? If you watch my Build Business Credit video, I will link it in the description section. This is the second step. After you have applied for your certificate or license of doing business in your state, this is the second step that you need to do. Second or third step. But anywho, so let's go to your Google page. And in the web address, please type in irs.gov. Once you get to irs.gov, it will take you to irs.gov, okay? And in that search box, which is in the upper right-hand corner in this area, you need to type in EIN, okay? And then in the search query, it will say apply for EIN, search for EIN, click whatever. You want to click and apply for your EIN number, okay? Once you click on that box, it will take you to the EIN assistance page, okay? Once you get to that assistance page, you want to click on Begin Application, okay? Now, this page, you need to talk to an accountant. I'm not an accountant. I can't advise you on what type of business that you're applying for. But IRS is asking you what type of legal structure you want to form. In this video, I am forming a LLC. So you'll see the necessary steps to form an LLC. That's probably one of the most common forms of business, or most common structure of business. It protects you, and it's less paperwork than an S corporation. Those two I do know because I have an S corp and an LLC. So talk to your accountant before you make these decisions. Another thing, you need to know all this information that I'm giving you before you begin your application, because it does warn you, you need at least 15 minutes and you need to complete your application to the entirety for you to get an EIN number from the IRS. Okay. So what type of legal structure, and it gives you like 7 different legal structures that you could choose from. Then once you hit continue, it's going to ask you how many members are in this LLC. I only pick one because I'm the sole owner of that LLC. But you could pick multiple members for an LLC. You can have a partnership in the LLC. Then it's going to ask you to confirm the legal structure that you want. Okay. Okay, so once you confirm your legal structure, then it's going to take you to your personal information, your name, your last name, your social security number, and it's going to ask you who's applying. Is it yourself or is it you hired somebody? So it's only 2 things that you could pick. So if it's yourself, just click that first selection. Once you hit continue, it's going to ask you your legal business name. Now, you might have applied for your business license under your state, and the business name that you wanted is not available. Okay, so that's whatever that name is that you got from your state, that's what you want to put in as. But if you have a doing business as, you could put that in the second selection. So I know in the first field, you can't say the blah, 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 or you can't have blah, 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 LLC, blah, 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 company or corporation or anything like that. It has to be whatever the business name in. It can't have like surnames to it. Okay. Your county and your state and the month and the year that your LLC was started or your corporation was started, that information you should already have, because if you have a registered business license, you will put that information in there, the date and the month that you applied for that. Okay. Okay, so next, once you hit continue, it's going to ask you to tell us more about your business or your company. It's going to have several. If you're traveling on the highway, is this tobacco company? Are you selling firearms, alcohol, gambling? Do you plan to hire employees? Then once you hit continue, it's going to have what does your business do? Are you in construction, rentals? Do you sell goods, service, blah, blah, blah. All that good stuff. Okay. So if you notice, I clicked on other. And once I receive other, I clicked on retail. Right. And then I sell goods. Then it took me to another screen and it asked me, where are you selling these goods? I'm selling it over the internet. Okay. So it has 2 selections under retail, wholesale and selling goods, direct goods to consumers. Okay. So you want to make those selections. And if this doesn't apply to you, if you're in construction business, then you click on construction. It might have different questions for you for your particular type of business. So you just want to hit continue. Once you answer the questions about your business, it's going to ask you, do you want to generate your EIN online or do you want us to mail it to you? Hey, this is the world of internet. Why get it mailed when you have a computer screen, right? So you want to click, you want it online, you want it right now. So once you click right now, it's going to generate a confirmation page. On that confirmation page, you just want to verify the information is true and accurate before you hit continue. Because once you hit continue, it's going to give you a number. So, but if it's not accurate, you have to start this process all over again from the beginning, okay? So just make sure that information is accurate, the name and all that good stuff in your information as well. I know one thing, IRS will not give you an EIN number if you put in wrong social security numbers. It's going to give you an error button, okay? Because they have a way that they could check to see if it's a valid social security number or ITIN number, okay? So once we said, hey, this information is correct, voila, IRS EIN assistance will give you EIN number, a 9-digit number, is 2 digits dash the 7 digits. Then it also will give you the legal name that you provided them. It's also going to have a hyperlink to your confirmation letter of your EIN number. And once you click that confirmation number, all it's going to say is address from the EIN, address to you, your legal business name, and it's going to have that legal jargon and your EIN number. And so save that to your computer or wherever you keep your legal documents at, okay? So once again, you guys walk through the video, that last video. If you're kind of unclear of what we're talking about, this is like the second step to building your business credit, because you can't build your business credit. You can't apply for credit cards, business credit cards, if you don't have an EIN number, if your structure is not legal, okay? If they can't find you, you're more likely not going to get a loan for anything. You probably get a self loan, but not for your business. So this is the second step to building your business credit. Put all the questions in the comment box. And if it's a question, please let it be a question that I have not went over in this video. Watch the video to its entirety if you made it through. Okay, I am sending all my good to you, and I will talk to you soon.